Mapagpalang araw mga kababayan, kumusta po kayong lahat? Isang muling kapanapanabik na kwento ang ating matutunghayan. Subalit bago ang lahat, pakiclick naman ang bell button to subscribe. Maraming salamat po! Isa sa hinahangaan ngayon sa light flyweight division ang Pinoy prospect na si John Michael Zulueta. Si Zulueta ay may undefeated record sa kasalukuyan na 17 wins, 10 knockouts at siya ay former AVF minimum weight champion at former IVF Asia light flyweight champion at kasalukuyang AVF light flyweight champion. Samantala, si John Michael Zulueta ay tinuturing na Floyd Mayweather Jr. ng Pilipinas dahil sa estilo at Mayweather nitong galawan na mahirap matamaan at sabayan pa ng liksi at bilis ng kamao nito na kung saan knockout ang kalaban. Samantala, May 14, 2022 nang dumayo si John Michael sa bansang Thailand kung saan sinabukan niya dito ang veteranong Indonesian fighter na si Jack Amisa. Sa laki ng katawan nito ay naging punching bag lang ang ating kababayan ang boxer na ito.
เพราะว่านักมวยคนนี้ครับแผนการชกคนนี้แยกตัวผมสร้างในสมัยจืดสู้อย่างคนได้อยู่แล้วครับเนี่ยครับขวาครับเนี่ยพยายามจะฟ้องกรรมการว่าจังหวะนี้มันไม่ได้ลงสังกัดครับแต่ว่าจังนั้นผมจอดไม่ขึ้นไปสวนลำซ้ายครับขวาทุกหัวซ้ายลำตัวขวาข้างบนเอาละมาไปชุดแจ็คกัมซ่ากันอย่างเดียวครับถ้าไม่จอดไม่ขึ้นเห็นไหมเห็น
Dahil sa nabubugbog lang ng ating kababayan ang Indonesian, ay sinuko na nito ang laban. Kaya't nagtapo na ng towel ang kampo nito, signs para itigil na ang laban. Panalo si Zulueta by a 5th round knockout. Matapos nito ay September 28, 2022 ay balik Thailand si John Michael Zulueta at kung saan kinalaban niya dito ang Thai fighter na si Tichai Minwal. Paglalabanan ng dalawa ang bakanting AVF light flyweight title. Sa laban ng dalawa ay hindi umubra sa Pinoy ang mala Muay Thai na galawan ng Thai fighter.
ก็เลยมีการชิงแชมป์โอ้โหหมัดถึง 2-3 ครับแล้วก็ไม่ได้เกรงกลัวทางด้านของจอห์นไมเคิลซูเลต้าเลยครับสิทธิชัยครับสิทธิชัยแต่เดี๋ยวซ่อนทีเด็ดที่ขาดอะไรไว้หรือเปล่านี่เราก็ไม่ทราบ1 2 3 4โอ้โหดูครับกระโดดแล้วก็เฉยๆครับ WBO ก็สีน้ำตาลเป็นหลักครับโอ้โหดูครับดักต่อยดูใจเย็นครับทางด้านของจอห์นเริ่มจะเปิดตัวสู้แล้วครับ
Sa round 2, dahil sa madalas na pagyuko at pag-cover nito ay isang right uppercut ang nagpatumba sa Thai boxer.
ได้ครับสิทธิชัยโอ้ดูครับแกซ่อนลำตัวโอ้เจอหมัดขวาครับดูนี่ครับโอ้โห
Nakatayo pa naman ito at sa pagpapatuloy ng laban ay dito binira ni Zulueta ng kaliwat kanang kamao ang Thai fighter. Kaya't itinigil na ng referee ang laban.
แล้วครับแม่จอห์นไมเคิลซูเลต้าครับไม่ปล่อยนาทีทองครับอัดลำตัวสลับไปหน้ายุติ
Panalo
การ
si Zulueta by a second round knockout. Samantala, nito lang April 27, 2023 ay muling lumipad si Zulueta sa bansang Thailand na kung saan sinagupa niya dito ang Indonesian boxer na si Silem Serang. Dito didepensahan ng ating kababayan ang hawak nitong AVF belt.
Right in the middle from Zulueta. Right hand connects as well from Zulueta. Whoa, great right hand there from Zulueta. It looks like double jab. A right hand lands there from Zulueta. Good 1-2 there from Zulueta. Right hook lands though for Silem Serang. And right hand down the middle. Zulueta. Silem. Good right hand lands for Zulueta, the champ. And right hand to the body. It looked like it was a slip there, with a hard shot. And right hand lands from Zulueta, and he gets this man on the ropes. Going to the body and to the head here from. Good uppercut there, closing the distance and body work from Salem, trying to land a left hook, but it doesn't land. Right. And Salem shelling up, trying to get out of dodge with slippers. This is a title defense, so this is for the ABF flyweight title. Good body work again from Ziliata, landing the left body hook. Good right hook to the body, right and left hooks coming from Ziliata, and again right uppercut from Ziliata again, and left hook to the body. Left hook lands, left hook to the body from Ziliata again, and right uppercut as well. Left hook to the head from Ziliata. Left hook coming in from Salem Sarangs. But good. We're at the halfway stage now in this championship fight. Good 1-2, and great body work there from. And another jab connecting for Ziliata, right hand as well. Ziliata in the maroon and blue trunks. Salem Sarang in the white and gold trim trunks. Good right uppercut there from Ziliata. Man off, trying to plan another attack. Good motioning to his right from Ziliata. Salem jab from, good left hook to the body and then to the head from Ziliata. Good right hand down the middle from Ziliata.
Sa round 8 ay isang left hook ang nagpaluhod sa Indonesian boxer.
Fast. Left hook lands again and again from Ziliata.
Left hook lands again and again from Ziliata.
And there you go, Salem taking a knee. Now that looks like it's going to be it. Oh no, maybe. Uppercut here from Ziliata. It's the first knockdown in this fight so far. Can Ziliata get a stoppage? Jab down the middle again and again from Ziliata. Very accurate he has been so far in this fight. Connect though. This is the same position where he dropped Salem in the previous rounds. Right hand again connects for Ziliata in a firefight here. Trying to catch the champ off guard, but he lands a good right hand there. Hard, fast right hand from Ziliata. 10 seconds to go now in round number 9. And it looks like Salem is going to...
Sa round 10, dito tinamaan ang Indonesian boxer ng right jab at sinundan ng left hand bagsak ang Indonesian boxer.
Well... Oh! Huge left hook there from Ziliata. And it doesn't look like Salem's going to get up from that one.
Agad-agad naman na tumayo ang Indonesian, ngunit pinaulanan na ng ating kababayan ng kaliwat kanang suntok ang Indonesian, dahilan naman ng muli nitong pagbagsak.
Looks like he's going to put him away, trying to put him away at least. Overhand right coming in, Salem on wobbly legs doing the chicken dance, and that is
Panalo
it.
si John Michael via 10th round technical knockout. Samantala, ito lang October 26, 2023, ay muling sumabak ang ating pambatong Pinoy na si Sulweta sa bansang Thailand, kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Thai fighter na si Otkowit Kamlang Charoy. Dito muling didepensa ni John Michael ang hawak nitong ABF light flyweight belt. Sa laban ng dalawa, ay dito naging no match ang laban dahil pinaglaruan lang ni Sulweta ang Thai fighter.
Accurate. It's always better to watch the lighter guys. They always put on a great look good. Left hook there from a champion, challenger, just shelling up and trying to find some space, but Ziliata finding a rhythm early on with his jab, straight punches. Really fast jab there from Ziliata, going keeps his head up. Ziliata and again lands that jab. Big clubbing overhand right there from Ziliata. Unfortunately, just to me, Otkowit just looks like he's a rabbit in the headlights of the truck so far. A hard 1-2 there from Ziliata, trying to go to the body there but just missing. Punching very accurately and tremendous power for the weight. Just this Otkowit's guard. Hook there from Ziliata. And Otkowit just firing back with his own boxing combos. Jab down majority of this round. Great flurry back there from Otkowit. To the body and to the head. Here comes Ziliata firing.
Dito tinamaan ng left jab ang Thai na nagresulta ng pagbagsak at pamimilipit nito.
There you go, down he goes. Straight and then left hook to the body, and I don't think Otkowit is going to get up. Is he going to make the count? Yes, he is. Referee say to continue. We've got 41 seconds left on the clock.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, ay nilaro-laro lang ni John Michael ang TIE Fighter at bumira ito ng right jab na bumaon sa katawan. Bagsak ulit ang TIE at namilipit sa sakit at di na nagawang makabangon pa.
Good jab to the head there and then straight to the body.
Finish
Right level
him.
changing him. He stays live on his feet and again, right hand straight to the body of Okawit. Let's see if he can at least.
Fatality.
Panalo ang ating kababayan by a first round knockout. Matagumpay na nadepensahan ng ating kababayan sa ika-4 na pagkakataon ang hawak nitong AVF belt. Samantala, nito lang August 29, 2024 ay balik Thailand si John Michael kung saan hinarap niya dito ang TIE fighter na si Todkiad Wirachon. Sa laban ng dalawa ay pinaglaruan lang ng Pinoy ang TIE fighter at hindi kayang sabayan ng bilis at lakas ng ating kababayan at knockout niya ang sinapit nito sa kamay ng Pinoy.
Big left hand with a right hand. Very doing a great job to really roll, leaning back. He's taking the sting out of the
Left hook as well as soon as that right hand gets land. Footwork from the Filipino fighter as he just this time. Right uppercuts. Sorry.
like this. It's one of those things where you're very confident in yourself that the punches are not. However, if you're timing it right, you wait for your opponent to cross the legs, then you throw the shot.
Body targeting the chest as well by the looks of things. There's that barrage from the TIE fighter as well.
Yeah, very well spotted. He is very well timed. Hand or a left hook.
Right hand gets through upstairs with it as well.
And this is where his opponent needs that clips him clean.
Yeah, Zulieta tagging straight back to the body. You see his arms drop there. Turkey looks like he's in trouble now. Looks like he's in pain, trying to get out.
Really puts Turkey on the back foot, and we're seeing that right hand and the left hook is working.
And Turkey really has been wobbled a few times. Overhand right there. He's been hurt.
Necessarily has the fight IQ to defeat someone like this because he is getting peace. Used to do. You just keep throwing punches and Bunbury will step in. You don't need power, you just need to shoot.
Sa round 3, ay binira nito ang Thai boxer at nagpaulan nito ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon na nagpabagsak sa Thai boxer.
He's got a machine gun and just go left, right, and just keep it pumping as he needs to come out. The referee needs to be looking at this because the opponent's not fighting back, he's not defending himself. There's the first drop.
Yeah, he goes down now for an 8 count. And that left hook didn't look like a hit.
At sa pagtayo nito ng Thai ay muling binakbakan nito ng Pinoy at tinapos na nito ang laban.
2 more times the fight has to be ruled over and the rest of the times the fight has to be ruled over and the...
Panalo si Zulueta by a 3rd round knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Maaari kang magbigay ng komento sa ibaba at pag-usapan natin yan. Shoutout nga po pala sa ating mga followers and subscribers. Paki-like and share na din po at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, God bless!